everyone, I'm Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be doing a little bit of the cooking. I'm not a really good cooker, but I sure know how to make some things. Eggs, sweet potatoes, mac and cheese, and you name a few. But anyway, we are going to make some sweet potato casserole. Is it a casserole? I don't know. Some mashed potato something. Just stay tuned. Let's see. Okay guys, don't mind the kitchen. It's a little messy because we're cooking. But anyway, this is the yams that I put on the oven last night. I already baked them. You see? So I'm going to throw them in a pot. And look at this one, guys. You can make this shit up. Like, why? Why does it have to be this way? Anyway. Okay, now the yams are in here. So we're going to smash them. Oh my god. Smashing them. So you want to make sure that the heat is very low. It's not too much because you don't want to burn your yams. You can hear them sizzling. Guys, I'm recording with my iPad, so forgive me. So we go with nutmeg. Don't put too much, just a little bit. And cinnamon. Some people don't like cinnamon. You don't have to put cinnamon. I think I put a lot. Oops. And ginger. This is the secret, you guys. This is what makes it kick. I'm telling you. Put ginger in your yams. You will thank me later, okay? You are going to thank me later. And the next one will be the butter. So I decided just to put only 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're gonna add a little bit of heavy cream. Not too much, just a little bit. And I forgot brown sugar. Hold on. I'm done mashing them sweet. So remember I put the sweet potato yams, whatever you call it, in the, oh, excuse my, and that's the turkey in here. Remember we're cooking for Christmas? So now let's see. Oh my god, it's looking mighty nice. We're just gonna wait for it to be a little bit brown. Anyway, see how it looks? This is what it looks like. So we are going to give it maybe 5 more minutes and then we're gonna take it out. Guys, it's time to take that bitty out. I am so excited. It looks really good. Oh my god. Can I use one hand? I don't think I can. Here's the finished product. It looks really good. Yay! Can't wait to eat.